How to reset Instagram Explore page in less than 50 seconds. First thing guys you have to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks. Go to the airplane mode, enable it, and then wait a few seconds and disable it again. Now you have to open the Instagram and go to the Explore page. As you can see, this is my Explore page. Now all what you have to do to reset your Instagram Explore page is go to the posts that you like and leave a like this. Do the same thing on every post that you like this. Do the same thing again and again, and after you finish, now you have to restart your phone and reopen Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.